Hello guys, Shubham here. So 4 years ago a legendary device got launched in the market named as Xiaomi's Poco F1 with pretty great features, hardware and also very challenging price. Many people still have this device, as you can see, me myself has it too. But as time passed, many people started facing problems with respect to battery, making them worse, and also many were not able to find the perfect battery and ended up buying a fake one or a copy one. But today I will show you how you can actually find a legit and almost near to original battery for your Poco F1, as I myself using the same. So without any further ado, let's get into this video and see how you can get a battery for yourself, and also I will show you the performance of this battery since I am using it. So first talk about the performance, and the very first parameter is about daily usage. So as I say in most of my ROM reviews video, that once you charge your battery then it will last about something 7 to 8 hours. Yeah, that is true. Once you charge your battery, if you use this battery which I am using, then you will get about 7 to 8 hours of screen on time on normal usage. That is pretty much good if you compared with a very actual original battery of Poco F1. Also, in comparison of other batteries which you get in market, this comparison is pretty much good and you will get a good amount of battery life. So in terms of daily usage, you can rely on this battery for your device and you can use hassle free without any issues. The capacity of battery of Poco F1 is 4000 mAh, and as per that, it works pretty much fine and you will face no issues such as sudden switch off or just getting battery drained off without any usage. Now let's move to the other crucial point, that is battery heating. So talking about the battery heating, this is the application which gives you a perfect stats about your battery health. So as you can see, my battery is 73% and also it will show you how long it will last and also the temperature itself. The temperature on normal usage is 36 degrees Celsius. That is pretty much cool and pretty much fine. Don't forget that Poco F1 has a liquid cooling technology too. Because of that, the temperature remains cool and this is something kind of normal temperature which you won't get in any other batteries. While playing games too, your phone won't heat much, and also while having a normal usage, you will not feel a phone as if it's a hot pan. So that is something good, that there's no heating issue with this battery too, where in comparison to other batteries, the battery heats up a lot, it bulges off and apparently you will end up destroying it. So there's no heating issue in this battery and you will enjoy cool hands without getting heated up or roasted up. Now let's move towards the gaming performance using this battery. So gaming is another crucial feature for many people out there, as many people play with kernels and custom ROM which are suitable for gaming. For that, it is important that your battery must be pretty much good. So in my case, I played BGMI, that is Battlegrounds Mobile India. So I will show you after this short gameplay that how my battery performed after this 15 to 20 minutes of BGMI I played. So this is a short gameplay I had with BGMI. So after playing it for 20 minutes, you can see this is the battery stats I got. So now the question is, where to find genuine Poco F1 battery? Let me tell you guys, on Flipkart and also Amazon, such famous sites got a whole lot of fake batteries for Poco F1 and also cost about 2 to 3,000. But not to worry, never get trapped in such things. Just visit cashify.in/repairs. Let me tell you guys, this is not a sponsored video, it's just I thought that I must tell you this information, as many people are buying some duplicate and fake batteries for Poco F1 and having way too much of issues. So navigating to repairs in devices, you just have to visit Poco F1 and select all type of repairs you want. You will get screen repair, battery repair and all the other sensors and other display repair services right under your doorstep. So this is how you can select and once you're done, you can just book and fill up your address and it will be at your doorstep. In my case, you can see this is my order, where in the repairs list you can see that I have repaired my Poco F1 and the repair was related to battery, which I did. So this is the cost I paid. Actually, I paid it on offline store. It was not available at my doorstep, so I have to go to the physical store which is situated in Ghatkopar at Navi Mumbai. And this is the cost. The cost got reduced because I have to go to the store itself and they haven't came to my doorstep. So this is how convenient it is, and also this is very cheap as compared to all the batteries you see online, and we will also get a very good quality of battery itself. So now let me give you my final opinion. So let me tell you guys, once you have a repair from Cashify, they will also give you some 6 months of warranty. And they told me if you use this battery properly, such as charging it up to some 90% and not fully getting charged, and also discharging at about 10 to 20% and then plugging it for charging, then you won't face any issues. Basically they are trying to say that don't overdo it. No matter it's charging or discharging, and the battery will work pretty much fine more than 6 months and may be pretty much good if you actually use it correctly. So you can rely on this battery without any issues, and I am not facing any type of issues till now. So that's it for this video guys. If you like this video, must hit that like button and subscribe this channel for more such content upcoming. Until then, see you again in the next time. Peace out.
Still in love.